over here we do have this Amazon Basics microfiber cloths. I'm gonna show you guys if they actually work on screens or a phone, anything like that, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing on them so you guys can see how they look. And of course we're gonna look at the size of them, and I went with the pink and green and gray options, but there are a few other color options you guys can choose from, of course, but I went with this 36 pack over here. And as you can see, the packaging is pretty good. I am actually very impressed of how big these microfiber cloths actually are. And as you can see, under the pink ones or the green ones, and then the gray ones are way at the bottom. I would say gray is probably going to be my favorite color. It's going to be the one I'm going to use the most. Probably going to give the pink ones or the green ones to like my grandma or my mother or something. But yeah, as you can see, these are the sizes of them. I'm actually gonna show you guys how the quality is for one of these gray cloths over here. We're gonna be looking at the thickness over here and the texture, and so far it's very it feels very like sturdy, like very strong if I pull it or anything like that. And it has this like pretty good soft texture. You can definitely tell it's a microfiber cloth, so it will work on your phone screens or anything like that. As you can see, when I pulled it over there, it's pretty strong. And yeah, this is my phone, my Samsung S25 FE, compared to the size of these. So you can see they're actually very big for microfiber cloths, and I really like the size because a lot of the times these microfiber cloths are very small, but these ones are actually pretty big, so that's going to be very helpful if you have like a car or something you want to clean with them. Then we do have my phone over here. You can see my phone screen is pretty dirty, so we're going to take one of these microfiber cloths and see how much it can clean the screen. So if you can see, it's already taking up a lot of the fingerprints on the screen, and it's looking like a brand new phone already. So pretty good with that. And then of course my monitors, I use them on my screens as well, just because like I am gentle with them of course on the screens, but they are working pretty well. And then my PC has this glass case, my gaming PC, and I also just wipe the glass off like this for any fingerprints, and it works wonders, honestly guys. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these microfiber cloths. I'm pretty happy I got them, and yeah, I would say they're worth it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.